June 26, 2022. I'm in the home of Popeye. LZ's, I believe his name is LZ Seeger. It's his hometown. Popeye the Sailor Man. And now we're getting ready to go from Illinois into Missouri across the Chester Bridge. The Chester Bridge will be taken down and replaced. And I believe it's happening this next few weeks. I just saw a sign that said detour. We're crossing the Mississippi River on the Chester Bridge. This bridge, I think, was made in 1942, or was it 1940? And then a tornado came, and 2 years later wiped the whole thing out, and they rebuilt it. And it took about 2 years to rebuild it. So, like, it's been standing since, I believe, the date's 1944. And now they've received some funding, and they're going to be replacing the bridge. And there we have it. Last time that I will probably be crossing the Chester Bridge from Illinois